Let's unbox it. Okay, so I just got a new laptop from Take a Lot for school because the one that I'm currently using is dead. Not dead, but like it's low. So I got a new laptop. It was on sale for 4,500. The original price was 6,000, so I got 1.5 off. So yeah, let's unbox it. I am a little bit scared because even though I did read some reviews before purchasing my laptop, I'm afraid that what if I get mine not in a good condition like everybody else's. So let's unbox it. We'll see afterwards. I'll take a lot if anything wrong happens. So yeah, let's unbox it. Ooh. I've always wanted relax. I've always wanted to do an unboxing because I watch a lot of vlogs from other people doing unboxings and like unboxing their PR. So I'm also excited. I just hope it works. Like, it's heavy. A box inside a box. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Ooh, seems legit. So far, so good. Ooh. Oh. Okay, I'm so excited for no reason. So I got an ASUS because I've realized that a lot of students are using ASUS, at least from what I've seen at school. A lot of students are using ASUS. I've also done some research on TikTok to see. I saw Kayla Kim K's TikTok saying she got an ASUS and that she trusts ASUS. So I followed her because I like Kayla. So, you know, you already know what it is. Use a guide, use a manual. Okay, first the charger. Ooh, charger. Cute packaging. Ooh, I've never done an unboxing before. So shit, I've never done an unboxing before, so I don't know if I'm doing it right. But yeah, so it's so heavy. So here it is. Okay, since it's packaged perfectly, I just hope, please God, can it be fine? Please, please, please. Okay, so here, let's just take it out this bag. Ooh, ooh, oh my god, I feel like it's gonna fall. So okay, yeah, I got it in a gray color. It's lightweight, so which is what I like. I don't like big laptops. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Wow, this is so nice. Oh my god, it's so nice. I like it. I like it already. Oh, do I have it? Okay. So I have to charge it to see if it works. But yeah, this is the laptop, you guys. Okay, so far it's okay. There's nothing wrong. The screen is perfect. It's the color I wanted. It was gray, so yeah, there's nothing wrong. It doesn't seem like a second hand, so okay, we like that. Also lightweight, we like that. Okay, I see. ASUS, I see. Will be faster than the one that I currently have because I'm currently using a Mesa. So is it a Mesa? A Mesa, yeah. It's a little bit bigger than the let me show you. So this is the laptop that I'm using, so you can see it's old. Some things have come off. Yeah, this one is bigger. It's no longer serving me. It's no longer doing its purpose. It's slow. Now I can deal with that. Now fuck that shit. So yeah. So here's to my new laptop, and here's to joining the ASUS family. I'll charge it and then I'll give you guys a review in a month. Thank you, God. Thank you. So yeah.